Introducing Papa's. A cat. Yo.
Papa's, that's not your voice.
I know. Also, you're way too close to the camera. I know.
No, it's not. It's my bunny bun, and I'm gonna.
Shut up!
Why are you so mean to me?
Because I feel like it.
Oh, let me guess. It's because this is your video?
Yeah!
Now play some funny stuff. Like the 360.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Oh,
Not like that. Like, here. Let the person that speaks for me do it. Yeah.
That was horrible.
No, it wasn't. You're horrible. Sorry. Anyway, introducing Ricky Sticky.
No. Sorry for the technical difficulties.
Hey, Popeyes, hey guys, you want to see what happens if we take off Popeye's bracelets on your neck?
That will be revealed in a different video.
Yeah.
Because I don't feel like embarrassing myself.
Here. Hey, Popeyes, you want to know what I did when I was 3?
What?
Eat a leaf. I'm not joking.
Yeah!
You eat a leaf.
Yummy!
You actually ate it. Look, you actually ate it.
Yummy! Yummy! Can we sniff the camera? Yummy! Papa's, you licked it? Yeah! Anyway, I like existing. Huh?
Bro, give me those berries back.
Shut up!
No.
Anyway, we have to end this video since it's already like 2 minutes 30.
Hey, don't.
Stop it! Stop it with the berry! Berry, no!
This is gonna make you award because he doesn't like a berry. So, berry attack.
No!
Berry attack.
No!
We move out of my way.
Oh no!